Okay, everything is set. Everything is set. I just have to check one thing, 1 second. Something is not correct. I just have to check one thing, 1 second. Something is not correct. Okay, cool. Let's start our license. Sorry, there was some issue. Wanted to see what is happening and everything. Let's start our live stream. Hello, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to the live stream of zbit.com. My name is Yash. I am a live stream host over here, which will be taking care of your crypto journey for the next 4 hours. Okay, in these 4 hours, we will do everything. We'll learn about crypto market. If you like anybody is very new over here who doesn't understand crypto market, who doesn't know how to trade in the crypto market, don't need to worry because I will teach you that as well. I'll teach you how to trade in it. I'll teach you how to understand the market, how to take entry, what kind of target we can take, and every of those things we'll try to look into this market at this point. Okay. Plus, on top of this, if you guys have any like personal problem, personal issues regarding deposit, regarding withdrawals, regarding any of the process, you don't know how to refer, you don't know how like what are the benefits which you get from the Zbit, anything it might be, you can free feel to ask me on this live stream. This live stream is not just about like I will come here, I will look in the market, I'll give you trade and that's it, we go home. No, it's a learning session in which side by side we are, yes, we are taking a trades, but side by side we are also learning a lot about the market every day. Today, like as you can see the title, that XRP is the one which is like compared to the rest of the market, yes, XRP is having is gaining a little trust of the smart people. Okay, smart people as in just the big people, the whales, the institution people, and the corporate and everybody of like all those people. AC is very hot here right now. I just want to go and turn up the AC and I will be back. Okay, just 1 minute. Just give me 1 minute. Compared to the rest of the market, yes, XRP is having is gaining a little trust of the smart people. Okay, smart people as in just the big people, the whales, the institution people, and the corporate and everybody of like all those people. AC is very hot here right now. I just want to go and turn up the AC and I will be back. Okay, just 1 minute. Just give me 1 minute. Okay, I am back. There is a short trade which is available right now at this point, but but there is a fair value gap as well over here which can just retrace the market. It always like see market never usually go like zigzag from supply to demand. Okay, sometime it takes some different turns as well. This might be that one of the moments, so we won't rush into taking a trade even though I can see a good trade which is going in front of me right now, but let's not rush. Okay, it's totally fine. Even yesterday we took a trade in the like last 2 hours and I booked the profit of almost 396.24 USDT profit. It was my yesterday's profit. Okay, so please make sure to understand this point. You don't have to like this is my personal experience which I'm telling you all people. You don't have to take a trade every day, to be very fair. Okay, even if you take a trade, let it be for like 5 minutes, like or in that 5 minute of market, you feel like it is a very uncertain market. I am not able to understand this market at all. And this is a very one of those market which can make me lose money a lot. Then that's it. It's fine. Leave the market. You don't have to invest in that market at that moment for like compulsory thing. You can exit the market at whatever place at whatever time you feel like doing it. You can do it and it is and it's completely okay. Trading just because you have a platform, just because you have money that you have to trade every day, that's not an reasonable thing. If you are not understanding that market, then just don't take it. Yeah, but in here we are able to see a very good trade. Okay, actually, but at the same point there is one fair value gap in the between, a big fair value gap in the between, which might like take our trade in the wrong turn, which I don't want to. So rather than just entering the market blindly, I would love, like, we talk first, I teach you something, and I'll talk about the XRP, and then we'll go on. And in the meanwhile time, if you have any suggestions, in the meanwhile time you have any problems, in the meanwhile time you want to learn something extra, just come to me, ask me on the live stream. I'll be there for all of you people's help. Okay, I'll be there for all of you people's help. I never check you. Okay. I'll inform Telegram people because there are very less people on the live stream. Why? I'll just inform them live stream is started. Started. Please join. I'll inform Telegram people because there are very less people on the live stream. Why? I'll just inform them live stream is started. Okay. Started. So this is that one of those things which I'm not liking. Okay, even though we are able to see that there is a very straight fall of the market going on, that means that some big person is doing an extreme amount of selling at this point. But still there are some volatility situation which might happen, which I and there is one huge fair value gap as well over here, so that's the one reason why I don't want to enter at right now point. Okay, we'll take our time, we'll sort it out, and we'll see if we have to enter in XRP only or some other coins. Okay, but for all of you people, like the title suggests that XRP is booming more than the Bitcoin, or like we are able to see like small institution people's whales, they are having more trust on XRP than the Bitcoin and the Ethereum at right now point. What actually is happening? Let's discuss all these things. Welcome user 646392. Welcome on the live stream. Thank you so much for coming down over here. Thank you so much for being a part. This was my yesterday's profit. One was 99.75 dollars, and in the pump USDT it was 296.54 profit, which we can see in the market. Okay, these are the two profit which I earned yesterday. Total sum amount is over here, which is 396.24. In my Telegram group, I gave the same trade which I take. Okay, I don't do those kind of stuff like I'll do something and then I'll share something. I do the same exact thing. Whatever I am taking a trade, I'll post the same thing in the Telegram group. So that's the one reason why you all should be in my Telegram group. Okay, that's the one reason. If you see over here, oh, group, yeah, they have shifted, they have changed the interface a little. Okay, so there is a group, just click on the group over here. Why? What's hap- oh, okay, okay. I'll install in the these things, but it will directly take you there, I feel. Groups, let's see. Once it's installed, I think it will directly take you to the group. That's why it's taking me to the Google Play Store to download Telegram. I don't have Telegram in that phone. I have in my personal phone. I just see what new thing is here. I wanna know this new thing. I wanna know, see, because as per what I've been told, there might be my photo over there. I wanna see what photo they put. I wanna see what happened over here. Is it done? Yeah, it's done. It will directly take you to Telegram, start messaging, yeah, blah 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 blah. I don't have a number right now, but I wanted to see, yeah, shit, what they did. I just wanna check from my phone then. But if I log in my phone, that will log out. Yeah, it's done. Give me one moment. Give me one moment. I wanna see this thing because this is okay. I can touch. This Telegram. This country. What number shall I use? Choose your country and phone number. It says this phone doesn't have a SIM. SIM. I wanna do it right now. Okay, let's see what happens. I just log in. I wanna see what it takes, what happens. Coming back over here. Video is getting deleted. Hmm. Proper. Okay, we click on the group. Don't allow, and it will take you to the group. Don't allow. Nice. This is YP. Oh, this is me only. Okay. Yes, Pawar, who gave everything. Yeah, it's good. It's good. It's good. It will directly take you to the option now. Nice. A good situation they did. Rather than clicking here, rather than clicking there. Once the live goes, they will automatically take you at that those points. Okay. Got it. Understood. So that's the new feature which you have. Like you don't have to click more on something, just click on the group and it will take you there. This trade will make you trade and deposit will make the deposit. Obviously, did they change the deposit as well? It looks deposit the future account. Okay, it looks same only. There is no difference. Deposit looks same. It just this new thing is added over here. Group, which will take you directly to the Telegram channel in which I give every of those updates of the market. Okay, got it. Cool. So as we were discussing regarding the market, like why XRP is getting so much trust of the users, why XRP is getting uh like trust of the basically the institutional people, the smart money people, why they are getting the trust and everything. We were discussing regarding that. So, what happened actually? I'll tell you all people. The crypto market is weak. We all know that. We all know this one thing, that crypto market is very weak. It is like, it's not even weak. It was an unexpected thing. Once the market went above 100 and crossed 126, we had this one situation like the market won't stop now. Like it will have that upgrowth movement till 150, 200, 250. Some people, like, trust me on this, trust me on this. I'll tell you why we should not trust this news. Because see, because of the news, we do sentiment readings, like, okay, bro, that guy just said this thing, I should do the same. No, we should not trust those kind of stuff. Because at that point when the market crossed from 100 level to 110, that was the first all time high after 100. And from that 100 it became 122, and that from 122 it became 126. Okay, three all time I was created back to back to back in the 2025. Okay, at that point this one thing was very straighten up thing, like a lot of news people, they were just saying like, you are missing out, you are doing this, you will regret it, bitcoin is gonna touch 150, bitcoin is gonna touch 200, bitcoin is gonna touch this, and blah and blah and blah 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 in that thing. And they were not just like some random people, okay, they were like analysts of the bitcoin market who is watching bitcoin since so long time. Okay, they followed the trend, that there is the trend of institutional people buying the bitcoin like crazy and blah 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 blah. There are so many things going on, due to which they used to give the news like it is going to touch 200, it's going to touch 500, it's going to touch this and blah blah blah. But did anything happen? Nothing happened. That was all. Because see, more than you they know the market, more than you they know the 4 year cycle, which I explained you yesterday, why the 4 year cycle hits, what happened in the 4 year cycles, and each and every of those things. So in that point, why XRP is the one which got trusted compared to the bitcoin and ethereum. See, bitcoin and ethereum, they are the strongest, but yet people were not trusting because of the volatility is carrying, like so much price drop of the bitcoin from 126 to straight down to 60 level. It's not a joke. It's like completely wipe out of 1 trillion from the market. 1 trillion wiped out, gone in the air. Right now, the crypto market is weak. Prices are going down. People are nervous and confidence is low, obviously. All those things. Like, say, whenever the market is public, with the main factor, if I show you the dashboard right over here, we are at a little up growth, little, very little. We are still in the extreme fear. The market is at 8. This 8, it was 5 yesterday, today it became 8. Because see, after, you have to understand this one factor, that market can't keep falling all the time. It can't. Market can't keep falling all the time. What will market do is, market will give a drastic, heavy, aggressive downfall, and after that it will cool down a little. And that cool down period we saw yesterday, every market pumped a little bit, not a little bit, 6.1% bitcoin, ethereum 7.92%, bnb 3.24, solana 7.46, and xrp 9.82. xrp is the only one which is pumped that much, 9.82% xrp pumped. Solana 7.46, and XRP 9.82. XRP is the only one which 9.81. That's the basic news why I'm telling you all these people. Welcome user 506095. Welcome on the live stream. Thank you so much for being a part. Thank you so much for coming down over here. As I was discussing with you all people, like why XRP compared to Solana, compared to Ethereum, compared to Bitcoin, compared to everything, why XRP is the one which is gaining a lot of trust of the smart chain, smart people, every of those things. Okay, so we have to understand this one thing. One second. As I was discussing with you all people, like why XRP compared to Solana, compared to Ethereum, compared to Bitcoin, compared to everything, why XRP is the one which is gaining a lot of trust of the smart chain. So compared to every of those things like 6%, 7%, 3, 7, why XRP is 10% up? Such huge buying in XRP. Why? why there is such huge buying in XRP. That reason I'll discuss with you right now. Okay. Bitcoin, people are feeling negative. Ethereum, people are also feeling negative. XRP, people are thinking and still taking positive. Why? The difference is how people feel is called as sentiment diversion. Like I said, uh, in the trading, like market has a lot of sentiments. Like if they feel like market is pumping, they will go for like buy. If they see market is dumping, they will go for sell. That is sentiment trading. Okay, whatever they see, and they whatever they see in the market, they will do it accordingly. Whatever news they see, they will do accordingly. Whatever any influence or anything which they get to get in the news or social or some anywhere, and due to which they take the trade, that is called as basically sentiment trading. Okay, in this, what the sentiment means, like how trader are feeling and taking and talking online, basically from Twitter, Reddit, Telegram, and other social platform, like whatever it is. Sentiment measures how many positive comments, how many negative comments, and how much engagements, like replies, shares, and blah blah thing. It's basically all the trend kind of stuff. Okay, so then they create a sentiment ratio. The more positive talk, bullish sentiments; more negative talk, bearish sentiment. What did a sentiment find? During the market drop, Bitcoin sentiment fell to one of the most bearish level in the entire cycle. The retail traders are pessimistic. People are scared, tired, and frustrated. That because obviously a lot of people in the Bitcoin, they have put the leverage trade, because see, Bitcoin is that one coin which very few people in the whole world can buy. Very few. Okay, so if there is a coin which is very less available for the very selected person who has that kind of money, okay, that that kind of money they have to buy one coin at the value of 100, 120, 90, 70, or wherever the market price is right now. Okay, even to buy at that point, you need like fortune worth of money to get a hold of 10, 20, 100, 1000, 2000, 3000, 5000, or maybe 10,000 Bitcoin. It requires fortune. Even if you sell from your hair to the tip of the toe, your complete body, your complete organs, you still might be end up getting just 2 to 3 Bitcoin max. Okay, that's how valuable Bitcoin is. Okay, so in that kind of valuable coin, what people do is like we have an like also for those kind of people, for the one like us, for who cannot buy Bitcoin like this in a spot, they opened us a different market, so we don't feel left out. And that is our future market, which allows you, like, you don't have money, don't worry, but I'm not going to give you Bitcoin, but you can still trade in Bitcoin and earn that same value with the spot people are earning, or maybe more than that. Because in here, even if you are having a less money, you can take leverage is basically borrowing money. It's not even borrowing, like, it just, leverage is the one concept which cannot be explained in a proper language. Okay, if I say borrow, then you will question me like, do I have to repay them? No, you don't have to repay them. And then other thing which you will ask me, like if I say like you're just taking it from market, if I'm taking it from market, do I have to give back to the market? No, you don't have to give back to the market. So leverage is that one concept which is very hard to explain to a lot of people, because yeah, at the one factor, yes, you are taking money, people are offering you money to take a bigger trade, but you don't have to give back to them. If loss happens, then the bigger loss you have to take care, because you are the one who is taking that risk of using others people money, not even others people money. I don't know how to make you understand the leverage itself. Okay, but leverage is basically one thing. Even if you have a small money, you can still do something and have that money, and then you can take a bigger trade. So in the Bitcoin, most of the people, they were frustrated, tired, and every of those things, because every of those people, see, whenever the market was dumping, a lot of people were going for the leveraged position, like this is a major swing, and now from this point the market is still just gonna stay up. Okay, the market is just gonna stay up. That's what they were thinking. But after that moment, when XYZ, like this situations happened, like the pump dump happened, and after that we used to see a small green candle, and this BlackRock, the Microsoft, they used to buy. Due to which, just because they bought, the rest of the people used to buy as well. That's how the sentiment works. And with those people, they used to do the leverage position, and after that, again the market used to dump, and that's the point when it used to hit people, and they used to first like the stop loss is hitting, the leverage position are getting liquidated, and every of the stuffs. Okay, and Ethereum sentiment also dropped. Similar negativity, more complaint, fever, optimistic posts. Like everybody was just like having a lot of leveraged positions at that point, but none of those leveraged positions were working out for anybody. It was just getting liquidated. Everybody is frustrating that. See, when you get liquid, see, I told you leverage is that one thing. If you are in the positive side, in the profit side, basically, it's very awesome, it's very good. It's going to give you such amount of money, such amount of reward, such amount of benefit, that it will be like 10x, 20x, 30x than what you are actually earning from your 10, 20, 30 USDT. Okay, but that is a but is if you are on the negative side, that means that you basically are on the loss side. At that point, leverage is the worst enemy you can have, because you are not just going to lose your that small investment, you are going to lose a little big because you have taken a bigger trade. You have to have a bigger risk to gain a bigger profit. Basically, that's the concept of the leverage. Okay, so in that, whenever you get liquidated, you are not getting liquidated with just the investment amount. You are like, for example, you take 10 USDT, and on the top of that you took a 10x leverage. 10 and 10 becomes 100. Okay, so you are not just losing that 10, you are losing a little more than that because you have taken leverage on that. Okay, so due to which Ethereum, Bitcoin, they were all showing a lot of negative sentiments, because every of those possible, whenever the dump comes, a little cool off period. See, basically, people, they don't have an understanding of a cool off period. Whenever the market is dumped, yes, the market will have a cool off period. The same thing which we can see. Till yesterday, the whole market was dumping 60k. We saw the Bitcoin market at. Right now, we are seeing 68, 5% up, 7% up, 3% up, 7% up, and XRP 9.78% up. Little up there. Does this mean that bullish cycle is gonna come now? No. Does this confirm that right now the whole market is gonna go bullish? No. It's just a cool off period, because one movement cannot be continuously happening for the 1 week, for 2 week, for 3 week. Even if it, like, if you look at a bigger picture, yes, in the bigger picture we can see just downtrend, but in the small time frame, you can clearly see the downfall is coming. A little cool off period, again the downfall continues, then a little cool off period, again the downfall continues, then a cool off period. And that's the one reason why we have a market structure called as lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high. And that's the structure. That lower high creates a cool off period, that okay, we fall, let's just take a deep breath. All the seller takes a little step back, and that's the point where the buyer try to invest. They feel like this is the point, we are getting at a cheap price, we should invest, and blah blah blah, blah things. But see, everybody has their own sentiment. Okay, we can't just say like you should not and blah 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 things. But the people who knows the market, they don't. And trust me on this, I'm seriously talking about this. All the crypto traders, stock market traders, indices, commodities, blah blah, whatever, like whatever market has this chart and requires a trading, like the chart trading. Basically, like you are watching a chart, there is something movement happening, and then you have to go for buy, you have to go for sell, you have to go for long, you have to go for short. Trust me on this. Only 2% of these traders, they know what is happening in the market. Only 2% of the people. Only 5 to 6% of the people, they might know about the understanding of the chart. Rest of the all people, they are just a blind traders, they don't know anything. They are just like, okay, cheap price, yesterday market was 60, today 68. Oh, good, price is hiked up, I should go for buy. That's not how you go. You have to analyze it, you have to look for it, you have to look the chart, what is happening in the chart, what's going in the chart, what can happen the next day, what can happen after 1 week. You have to look for the smaller picture, you have to look for the bigger picture, and somewhere in that you have to take your entry. You can just like most like that's the reality check I'm giving you. A lot of people mostly they are either the copy trader, either they are looking like on the YouTube for some XYZ person, like what he is doing. Okay, he's doing, he did that, I will do this. Like very less person of the like on this trading, like whatever. I'm not saying less of the crypto, but yes, like it may be of the stock indices, commodities, every of those crypto, wherever there is a chart and wherever you take the long short or buy sell entries, those trading, very few, very less people have an like knowledge of what's happening. 1% to 2% people they know what's happening behind the chart. 5 to 6% knows what's happening on the chart. There is a difference. What is the difference? I'll tell you. See, the chart which we see, it is a coding which can be manipulated very easily. Okay, it can be manipulated very easily. There is no like, it is not difficult for that XYZ person who, it is called as keyline basically. If you guys don't know about it, what keyline is basically that coding everything which we see the chart, like how the price is moving and blah 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 blah, like it is going this, it's going this, the big red candle, big green candle, blah 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 kind of stuff. All this kind of stuff which we can observe is keyline, is coding, and it can be changed, it can be manipulated very easily. So that is a chart. Not all the time it has been manipulated, but just like they have an that option in the backend. Okay, and plus what is happening behind the chart means what is happening in the real. What's happening in the real, like how many entries are there, how many orders are there, how many sell orders are there, how many buy orders are there, with what kind of quantity, with what kind of aggression they are buying, with what at what price it is like stuck. Like this many sell orders are stuck at that many price, this many buy orders are stuck at this many price. What is actually happening in the market? Is there any volume in the market? How many people are trading? How many, with what kind of quantity they are trading, with what kind of sentiment they are having, how many buyers are there, how many sellers are there. This all exclusive knowledge is behind the chart, which we call as book map. Okay, now very less people have that knowledge of the book map, very less people. And like this like a lot of courses which is like people will tell ki, like I need this huge money from all of you people for learning the trading courses. They are not wrong actually. I'll just take, like, see, I'm a new user, I have deposited $5. Huh, welcome. Did you deposit user 791923? First, hello, welcome on the live stream. You are a new user. I have deposited $5. I want to ask you a question. Did you deposit through this option, the deposit in the live stream option? May I get one Dogecoin as a bonus? Yes, you will get it. I just want to ask you a question. Did you deposit from the live stream option? Just one question. Yes or no? User 791923, did you use the live stream deposit button to do your deposit of $5? Yes, that's good. Now, my second question, can you provide me, can you join the group? Are you in my Telegram group? Are you in my Telegram group by any chance? If you are not, can you please join the Telegram group? Share me the screenshot with your UID number. No, no worries. No worry. Okay. So can you just please join the group and share the screenshot of your payment? I will verify it. And once I verify it in your account, I will transfer one Dogecoin. Sure. Okay, so please join my group, and once you have joined the group, please share the screenshot of the payment. I will check right over here itself your this. And just before leaving, just one thing. See, do not share your UID number on the group. There will be a person named Yash Pawar, that's me, my name, and DM, like message me personally your UID number to share you one Dogecoin. Okay, if don't put your UID directly in the group as a privacy thing, like it should be your private thing. It's your personal user unique ID number. It's a personal thing, so don't share it in the group directly. There will be a name called YASH Yash Pawar. Tap on him, message him personally your UID number. Okay, and I will click on that UID number and I will share you one Dogecoin right away on this platform. Okay, on your account. So don't share it in the group directly. There will be a name. And just one thing might be happening. Today is Saturday and Sunday. Finance team might be on the leave, so you might probably get it by Monday. Maybe I'll try my best to get you that one Dogecoin by today or tomorrow. But like I said to you, Saturday, Sunday, our finance teams are on holiday. Like basically, most of the people are from Monday to Friday, they work. Saturday, Sunday, weekend off they have. So, but the live stream people, they do it on Saturday, Sunday. So we are not having off, but they do have a off. So if I'll try to contact them that to provide you one Dogecoin, but if they are on the holiday and if they tell me that once we back on Monday, we'll provide you. So that please, I request you to wait for 2 days. If they say it to me, like they will do it on Monday, because yeah. And thank you so much for understanding. That's the just one thing you have to understand, that they are on holiday. I cannot do anything because everybody enjoys their holiday. On Monday when they will be back, I'll be providing you that one Dogecoin for sure. Got it? Just share me your screenshot. I'll share the UID to those people, finance team. I'll check on them if they are available. They can share it right away. If they are not, then Monday it is. Okay. Please just share me the screenshot. That's it. Okay. I'll contact the finance team today itself, but just giving you a reference that they are on the holiday. Saturday, Sunday is their holiday. If not, will you provide trade signal today and tomorrow? Yes, I'll be providing today. If you see, I'll show you on the stream itself. If you click on the group, can you see it will be taking you till here? Zbit.com live with Yash. Can you see my yesterday? This is Yash Pawar. YP is me. Yash Pawar is me. Okay. I have shared signal yesterday as well. Yesterday I earned 296.5 USDT on the pump. This was the two signal which I gave you. I'll show you. This was the first signal in the XRP. This was the second signal in the pump. All these two had a profit yesterday. You can see my XRP profit. XRP target achieved with the profit of 99.75 USDT, and pump USDT profit, the target got hit with a profit of 296 USDT. I can show you in the app as well. You can see over here 296 USDT profit. This was my entry point. My target got achieved over here. It is in the pump USDT, which you can see here. Pump USDT. I'll remove these lines. Pump USDT entry I gave, and that my profit over here you can see 296.54. And in the next trade I gave you yesterday was XRP. Even in the XRP, this was my entry point over here, and this was my target got achieved. And can you see a profit over here? 99.75 USDT. Yes, I follow. Yeah. So same thing, like we are earning profit. This was my yesterday's profit in the total, like 99 plus that 296. This is my yesterday's total profit, which is 396.24 or 24 USDT. Okay. So today as well, I will give you, obviously I'll give you trade. Just be active on the Telegram or on the live stream. Whenever I provide you trade, you can see it on the group as well, or you can see on the live stream as well. Both. Whenever I take a trade, I update the same thing on the live stream. Everything. You can clearly see how detailed it is. Like I will show you every 1 second. Like you can see entry prices, your take profit, everything over here will be mentioned. How much leverage you can take, what kind of signal it is. It's a long signal, entry from this to this price, take profit to take profit. Say a lot of people, they don't take a risk, so I put one safe target, one risky target, every of those things which you can see over here. Okay, so please join the Telegram group, share me the screenshot of the payment. I'll transfer it as fast as I can to the finance team. Yeah, I can see that. Are you running in the beat inside the heart? I'll wait for that guy. Oh, it's this guy. Okay. 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 Got it. फर्स्ट डिपॉजिट नहीं है ना फिर। But 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 I have question, but it's not your first deposit, brother. 0309. Yes, I can see you did it, but this is a two. Mhm. This is, it's not your first, like you are not on the stream, but I just want to inform you, I checked it. It's not your first deposit. Your first deposit was $1. Your second deposit is $6. So like I said to you, it is for first deposit. First, as in like you never taken a trade, never did a deposit before. And for those people who does their first deposit only above $3, which you did, yes, but it is your second deposit. Okay. So for that, I don't think so. We can provide you one Dogecoin free, but it is only available for the new users for their first deposit. Okay. In any cases, I might have, like you might have understood me wrong. I'm sorry for that. Like, but I always ask, like, if you have any doubt, please feel free to ask me. Okay. So I don't think so because I checked everywhere. I literally checked every possible ways, like can I see this, can I see that, and blah blah blah. Every ways I checked, and I can clearly see that it is a second deposit, not the first deposit. It's not your first deposit, it's the second one. And I really can't help in that situation. Okay, so coming back to our topic, like we were discussing, XRPs stayed relatively positive. More hopeful comments, strong community engagement, less fear compared to the Bitcoin and to the Ethereum. Compared to all those things, the XRP was having little profitable positive comments, and it depends on the trend. Like I said to you, it's a sentiment. Whatever is happening outside, that's gonna affect the person's mind, and that's gonna affect the trade as well. Okay, because XRP flipped the BTC and Ethereum sentiment, meaning XRP had a better mood and confidence than these two biggest coins. What about the price? BTC and Ethereum's price were soft and weak. XRP price stayed relatively stable, not pumping hard, but also not collapsing like others. So this sentiment differences is about, like you have seen this, like XRP went from like what 1.5 to 1.2. That's not a much of difference in the fall. Bitcoin fall from 126 to 60. Same way, if we had such kind of drop in XRP, it could have dropped to from 1.5 to straight to maybe 0.5, maybe 0.2. That much of the fall we should have expected in the XRP, but we didn't. We didn't saw that expected. We didn't saw that. So this sentiment difference is about the price going up. It's not about how people are reacting emotionally. Why is this important? Historically, in the history, when the retail traders are extremely negative and the market often stops falling or bounce temporarily, this is the bounce temporarily, relief rally. Heavy fear in the BTC and Ethereum can be a contrarian signal, which is basically like more downfall. XRP staying positive shows a different psychology, not the same panic. Does the positive sentiments mean XRP price will go up? Not guarantee. Very important warning from the analyst is positive sentiment can come from narratives, news, and community hype. Like I said to you. Welcome user 113410. Welcome on the live stream. Thank you so much for being a part. If you are a new user, do not forget to deposit through the live stream deposit button and gain one Dogecoin completely for free of cost. Okay, first deposit only. It is applicable for first deposit only. Now, it does not always mean the money is flowing in. That's why sentiment is not equal to the price confirmation. Price plus volume must confirm any real trend. Sentiment is just like people are feeling positive and they may go for the buy situation. That's the may situation. What does this tells us about the traders? It shows an uneven emotion. Bitcoin and Ethereum holder feeling tired, losing conviction, becoming cautious. XRP holder more resilient emotions, still engaged, reacting differently to the same market stress. This doesn't mean XRP is better. It means the people feel different about it right now. How traders use this info, early warning tool, psychology tracker, not directly go for buy and sell signal. Okay, it is just for the psychology thing. Like welcome user from 18 user 184330. Welcome on the live stream. My name is Yash. If you are a new user, please do not a good app. Why? Why? What happened? If you are having any issues, I'm here to solve it. Whatever issue it is, whatever. I'm ready to solve it for you right now on this live stream. I have lost a lot of money on this. Like, in what way? Did it go because of the withdrawal process, deposit process, or did it happen because of the trading? Why did you lost a lot of money? Is it because of the trading you lost the money? User 184330. Is it because of the trading you lost a lot of money? Yes or no? I'll appreciate a comment from you that you have already started a conversation. Please carry on with it. Because I can just tell you this one thing. Don't blame the bad, like don't blame the tool. If you are not good enough, you don't know trading, that's fine. Because I can show you the same exact thing which is on the top. My money can't be withdrawal. No, that's not true. That's not at all true. You can withdraw your money. The question is, how much are you withdrawing? How much are you withdrawing? Minimum USDT is 5. 5 USDT is the minimum amount to withdraw. Okay. And for the loss thing, trust me, it depends on person to person. This is my yesterday's profit, which you can see over here. 396.24 USDT profit I earned from the same app, which I can show you. Like, can you see this is the same app? No, wait a second. Yeah, this is our app, and I'll show you withdraw thing as well. Just tell me, and my money cannot be withdrawn. But just tell me this one thing, like what amount are you withdrawing? How much amount are you withdrawing? From the same app, I can show you the same app. Okay, this is the same app. I'll go in the future. Can you see the same app? I'll go in the future and I'll click on order history. Order history over here. Order history. Can you see where is it? Why? Oh, all futures. Can you see this is my yesterday's profit? This is my yesterday's profit 296.54. Same app which you are using. XRP 99.75. Same app which you are using. We are not using different apps. We are just different people. I have a knowledge. Maybe you are not having a knowledge of the trading, and that is completely fine, because this live stream can give you a knowledge of the trading. Plus, I can give you trades as well. Can you? Are you? I think you are not in my group. Yeah, yeah. I think you are not in my group of the Telegram. Can you see a group option over here? Yes. Yeah. Just click on that group. You will be taken to the heaven. Can you see this group? Zbit.com live with Yash. I provide trades over here. Okay. And same like you, there were people who were losing money, but after joining this group, now they are having money, they are earning. Can you see these are the two trades which I gave yesterday? See, pump USDT, I told them to take entry. XRP, I told them to take entry. Then I showed them XRP profit has taken 99. This is my profit. Okay, like what profit I earned, but I showed them target completed. And then over here, pump USDT, target completed. So you are just not in my group, and that's the only thing which you are lacking. Please be a part of my group. Join my group of the Telegram channel. Whenever I provide you a trade, take those trade and enjoy. Okay, don't blame the tools. The tools are perfectly fine. It's what is like we lack the knowledge of trading, and we take wrong decisions. Where the market is wants to go us for sell, we go for buy. Where the market wants to go us for sell, buy, we go for sell. Wrong decision we take, not the market, not the app. App is good, app is nice, app is giving profit, app is giving everything. And also about your withdrawal thing, can you just tell me what amount you are trying to withdraw? Because let me tell you, if you are withdrawing less than $5, like 4 3 2 1, then it cannot be withdrawn. The process of the withdrawal starts from $5. 5 6 7 8 XYZ XYZ. Okay, so please make sure one thing, for earning profits, join my Telegram group. And for the deposit thing, I just gave you the information that it requires minimum 5 USDT. minimum 5 USDT is required for taking a withdrawal from the options. Okay, please. Okay. Anything else I can help you? Please feel free to ask me. I can solve your any doubts, whatever it is. Okay. And for the deposit thing, I just gave you the information that it requires minimum 5 USDT. Minimum 5 USDT. What we were discussing for taking a withdrawal from the options. Okay. Please. I'll come from a small break of 5 to 10 minutes, and after this small break, we'll continue and we'll start taking trades in the app. Okay. After this small break. What we were discussing. I'll come from a small break of 5 to 10 minutes, and after this small break, we'll continue and we'll start taking trades in the app. Okay, after this small break. Please help me with this. I just lost 2.3 USDT. I'm here. I'll help you guys. Don't worry. Just like, please help me with this. Like, what do you need? You need trade? I'll give you trade. Don't worry about that. User 18433. I told you, just join my Telegram group and wait for the trade signal every day. Like, not every day, just basically Friday, Saturday, Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, I provide you all the people. I provide you with the trade. Okay, so just have patience. I'll provide you the trade soon. So let's just jump into the trading itself. But before that, I just want to see the some sentiment, because having some knowledge of what may can happen is a good. XRP still at 9.2, 7.8357. Bitcoin is the only one which is having the most least. Ethereum 7, BNB 3, Solana 7, XRP 9. Okay. In that thing, what we can see is after a pump, now a little downfall has started because it was 6, it was 8, and blah blah kind of stuff. So after a pump, a little downfall, a little. And XRP is the least little downfall. We are having an extreme fear 8. I told you this one thing, that the market always has this one situation which is cool off period, and that is what we can see. After a cool off period, we can see is continuously Bitcoin price is dropping down, Ethereum percent is also dropping down. That means a cool off period might have been ended. And now I just want to check one more thing, whose session is going right now. It's a London session which is happening right now. Okay. London, London bridge is falling down. London session, Bitcoin, the London session has started. Tokyo is the one which dropped. London session has started. I just want to see where London and New York takes the market to. Okay. Because the cool, I really feel like maybe the cool off period is over. We saw like after the dip of the market, a little cool off, and now this cool off can start. We have to check this one thing now. From here, if the market goes like, see, this is the fall, market cool off. Now we have to check what? We have to check this. If it goes like higher high, higher low, or if it goes like lower high, lower low. These are the two situations which might occur in the market, and that's the one thing which we have to look for what may can happen. Okay. We'll check. London session is going on right now. As per the market, any else thing? Altcoin season. Which altcoins are having a spot market? How much it is up? 2.35. Yesterday was 2.1735. Not that much, but yes, a little up. Like, we are seeing inflows in the market, but not in a great quantity compared to what we have lost. Mhm. We have lost more than a trillion, more than that actually, more than that we have lost in the market, more than that. And we can clearly see volume in Bybit is the least. No, least is in, which is blue color, crypto exchange, crypto.com exchange. Other is this Binance, Coinbase, Bybit, OKX. Okay. The least amount of inflows or whatever situation is happening, we can see it in the crypto exchange and the OKX. These are the one which is having the least. Bitcoin treasury, it is still not updated. Why they are not updating, I have no issues in it. Like, they are updating every other thing, but they are not updating any other thing. It was last updated on the Jan 26th only. Jan 26 only it was updated, but it is not. Because as per what I saw and what they said in the Telegram channel, not Telegram channel, sorry, X, on this X platform, he announced that I bought some 809 BTC or something like that, and it became a little extra after this thing, but it is not getting updated. I don't know why. Maybe. they didn't bought it, it was a fake news. Maybe it can be that reason as well. 1.2 million from 1.1 1.2 million holding has been given. Actually supply, bitcoin supply held 1.2 million is for the whole company over here. USA still at 91.9%, Japan just has 3%, that too with the this like meta planet. CN China has 1.5, CA I don't know, CA is Canada I guess, other is 2.9. Okay, we are not even the list. You know that none of our public, any of our public company is buying, Indian company are buying the Bitcoin. None of the people. There are reasons behind it. Like we have to, like, even if we invest the half, more than half money we have to pay to the government itself. Like for what reason? Like my money, my investment, my risk, my anything, and what you will take my money again. What's the point? That's why the main reason. Like trust me, but I am positive on this. Like see, just because Indians are like government are taking a lot of what you can say attacks on it does not mean that they are not investing it. They have, like, do you really think Ambani doesn't have a cryptocurrency? Do you really think like Vijay Male is not having a cryptocurrency? Do you really think that the diamond merchant and blah, there are so many, there are cricketers, there are YouTubers, there are no, not, there are YouTubers and there are more content creators. There are a lot of businessmen. Do you really think that in India they are not having a cryptocurrency? They are having it. They are trading into it. They are having XYZ amount of cryptocurrency which they are booming, which they are having and blah blah kind of stuff. But they are not like sharing it in a public way because they are holding maybe some foreign countries account and something thing to avoid the taxes from the India. And then that's the thing, like see, because of these taxes we have to take our money and give it to the foreign country. That is a one very worst thing which India doesn't see. They see like, okay, you have to do it, you have to pay me money. And that's the one reason why they are leaving. The money is going out of the country for that one reason, because of you. To avoid the taxes from the India. And then that's the thing. Like, see, because of these taxes, we have to take our money and give it to the. Like, I understand the taxism system. Like, you might have taken a lot of loans and you want to repay those debts with the tax money. I can understand that, but why don't you use the black? Why don't you use the properties of the politician? Why don't you use the other stuffs? Like use those. Like sometime you should, like, once you hit the citizen, once you hit the politician as well, make it equal, make it balance. At least I'm not saying just take it for everything from them. Use public as well. I'm not saying, not denying, but sometime go for your own side, your hood sometime. Okay. Fear and greed index at 8 yesterday was extreme 5. I don't think so. Like extreme 5 was ever seen in the market before. Like I think 5 is the most extreme which we have seen till now. Okay, the most extreme. From last month we were neutral. Neutral. From last month I'm talking about, like December, we were neutral. Last week we were 26. Yesterday we were 5. Can you just imagine the down shift? Like from neutral to 29, straight up to 5. Greed, no, that is, let it be. Greed is not even coming at this point. Greed will come. I really, like I said to you yesterday as well, like this will take till March. I really feel the finance year is the one which we should focus on. Bitcoin doesn't work. Like see, the all the market are the finance things. Okay, we they don't follow the new year which we have. They follow their own finance, their own new year. Altcoin index 2500, not much, but okay. Altcoin is still dominating, but not that much. Okay, altcoin is dominating, yes, no doubt, but not that much. Pax USGT gold is up by 23%. MYX CSZ, they say it is up, but all the time whenever I check, it is in the downfall only. I don't understand how, like, what they are seeing, what I am seeing. Can we see? This is CHZZ. What I am able to see over here. Okay, they say it is up and black. Can we see like a market is dropping down from the high price to the low price? Then why do they say that it is going up and everything? I don't understand this fact of the CHZ. Like, I have seen the same thing over here for so long time. The CH is there, is there, like nine overall 90 days and blah blah whatever it is. I don't see pump in it. There is no pump. Why do they think that it is having a pump in the first place? Even if in a day time frame I see, I can clearly see just one thing, that yes, like if you consider from the lowest point, yes, the market is up, but from the current scenario, you should talk about the current scenario. Okay, people will go over there, they will see 22% the market is up, 22% the market is up, what they will feel? Okay, buy 22%, let's go for buy. And at that situation the market is falling, because we can clearly see it is a lower low lower high situation. Market is dropping down at this point, not going up. Still in that altcoin season, there is always such coins which is they show that it is up, bro, go buy. But it is not up, it's falling. It can keep on falling again. Like if I just give you some zones for CH. Welcome user 295454. Welcome on the live stream. I'll give you trades. I'll give you trades. Join my Telegram channel first. Then only I'll give you trades. One, two demands. Welcome user 295454. Welcome on the live stream. I'll give you trades. I'll give you trades. Join my Telegram channel first. Then only I'll give you trades. One supply, but this was extreme rejection. Okay, just from demand we saw very extreme rejection. We can like for one moment, if we just consider this thing till here, it is 13% drop of the market. Okay, 13% drop of the market is still left, because what we saw is just a wick went in the market. Yes, like till that point it just a wick touched and left, that's all. We didn't close over there. We require closing as well. Just a wick went. Can we see the same wick? And after that, a little pump it, and slowly by slowly, we saw the market went below that wick. That's the same thing what we am expecting over here. So CHZ USDT, we can take a trade in this coin. I will confirm one thing with it. We can go for a good sell trade, short trade in CSZ trade. Okay, we can go for a good short trade over here. I just confirm one thing, which is our RSI, the strength. I just want to confirm the strength. If the strength is true, the strength is not true, what may can happen? But the strength, I just want to confirm the strength. If the strength is true, the strength is not true, what may can happen? But we can capture a good moment over here. That's why I want to go for it. 7% over here and 13% over here and 16% over here. We can capture a very good moment over here. But the thing which I am feeling at right now point is that sell seller side candles are not performing good. I just want to see this CAZ in a bigger picture over here, because we don't have like a proper data. Like CHZ USDT. This can be our first trade of today. Why are these lines over here? Oh, these are sessions line. Okay, sessions line. It's fine. I require session. But just for 1 minute, can you just go? Thanks. Just for 1 minute. I'll call you back. I just need some confirmations over here. Let's go at what are let's go at 4 hours. Okay. Some zones we should plot till where we can see our market to drop down. Mhm. Okay, this can be my one thing. Second thing which I want to see, this can be a very good short trade, simple, clean short trade of good percentage as well, not that high, not that this, good percentage. We can take trade in this. Okay, welcome people from Nigeria 404976. If you haven't deposit yet, deposit right now, then only I'll provide you guys trade. If you are not depositing, no trades for all of people. Why should I give you all the free things all the time? I did it in the starting, it's done. Start doing deposit or earning trades from me. And if you think I don't earn profit, you can see it from over here. 396.24 USDT profit yesterday. Uh, what I was doing is this. I wanna check the past. Okay, we have a long way to go. Like, to be very frank, and like can have a breakout here as well. But for a short time, you can go for this trade. Okay, one thing. Second, 1 hour candle. That's that. It's like a broadening bottom of the cell. This is the thing. They are all in the supply, supply, supply. It is trying to hit. It is not letting them hit. Okay, there's one line. Why I cannot see it in our platform? The same thing. Na 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 da 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 da. It's a small supply from over here. I this small supply from here. Tap one, tap two, tap three. Still not going at. We might expect the market can retest himself over there again. But if it fails, then we can have a target over here simply. Okay, 2 to 3 target over here, which we can earn almost even if we enter at right now point. Even if let's say we enter at right now point, we can gain here till here 8%, 3%, 6%. Good amount of profit only. Hey, 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 you 810840. Welcome on the live stream. I have the feeling like it is making. Session London. London made it. Oh, London can bring it down as well. Oh, what does a London trying to do? This is my first trade, I feel. Broadening bottom. You think? You think? I don't believe. No, I don't believe it true. I don't believe. It shows broadening bottom pattern, which can be no, I don't believe it true. Two things. Confused of two things. One, pattern formation looks like a broadening top pattern. Okay, that one thing we can clearly see. Let's say like even if you consider the same, or even if you consider this, in both situation, same. Then we have this situation over here. We can consider this. Looks like a broadening bottom pattern. Okay. In that situation, in that broadening bottom pattern situation, two things. Market just came from demand. Can be true that we can get a breakout for upside. Like market can go from like check like this situation can be possible. Next situation is possible that we can clearly see that there is a supply which is hitting again and again and again, and it is not letting the market go up. But sellers are not taking advantage, they are not dropping the market as well. At the same point, fear grid index suggests the market is at 8% of fear, which can which can lead the market drop as well. But we can see a broadening top pattern, broadening bottom pattern, which is basically your a bull pattern which gives you a breakout above, not below, above. Something like this we can see, like a same resistance, but it's not coming from the top, it's coming from the bottom. But we can see a broadening top pattern, broadening bottom pattern, which is basically your a bull pattern which gives you a breakout above, not below, above. Something like this we can see, like a same resistance, but it's not coming from the top, it's coming from the bottom. Mhm, 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 mhm. Strength looks fine, like no big changes in the strength. A pattern is the forming, that is for very sure. Very sure a pattern is forming. Strength looks fine, like no big changes in the strength. A pattern is the forming, that is for very sure. Very sure a pattern is forming. delete the volume. Paste. Where are you? You are still on the sell side. You didn't went for the buy side. Same in the 4 hour. No, 4 hour you went for the buy side. I can see. You are still on the sell side. You didn't went for the buy side. Same in the 4 hour. No, 4 hour you went. The market we just came from a demand. Can it drop? But we can see an evidence that it can. I can see this thing, na, like the previous one. Previous one was also like, bro, the previous one is also looking the same. There is no much big difference. Can you see same line and broadening bottom kind of pattern, but it still gave a downfall. But we can see an evidence that we can see it in a 1 hour, the previous candle. I can see this thing, na, like the previous one. Previous one. Bro, the previous one is also looking the same. There is no same much big difference. Rise. Can you see? Yeah. Like if you can consider same, and from there it was either rising, broadening bottom pattern, but it still gave a downfall. On a day time frame, how much is there to lose? Like if you can consider same, and from there it was either rising, broadening bottom pattern, but it still gave a downfall. It was on the demand. On the demand, we saw a demand, but it didn't continue. All from the demand. Same situation. No fair value gaps, but so many situations we have to look for and then take entry. We can't just take entry randomly anywhere. Okay. We have to be precise for profit. We can't just say like, okay, let's go for buy or let's go for sell. No, we have to look for every situation, everything. One by one by one, we have to check everything. So many situations we have to look for and then take entry. We can't just take entry randomly anywhere. We have to be precise for profit. We can't just say like, okay, let's go for buy or let's go for sell. No, we have to look for every situation, everything. One by one by one, we have to check everything. My only concern is that a candle we just came from a demand. Can it again go to the demand? That's my only concern. Like it just came from there. Following the character, following the pattern, yes, it's a lower low, lower high situation which is working out right now. My only concern is that a candle we just came from a demand. And London is not trading. That's my only concern. Good. Like it just came from there. There is no volume in the London trading. Following the pattern, yes, it's a lower low, lower high situation which is working out right now. Saying that shit, turn up to the bar, 12 fuck man. So, sting at the good. Seeing that shit. Saying that shit, turn up to the bar, 12 fuck man. So, unless I might be different over here. What if? What if? What if? What if? Same, but I can see a fall. This was above. We should go for. Let's see what kind it looks like. It's not ascending for sure. It is not ascending. How many type is there? Symmetric. It's not symmetric. Right angle. It is not right angle. Right angle descending. It's not right angle descending. It is not descending. It's symmetrical. It's not ascending for sure. Not this one. What it looks like. How many type is there? Is it ascending? Symmetric. It's not symmetric. Right angle. It's going up. It's going below. No. Not this. Broadening wedge bottom. Kind of looks like this. Kind of. But broadening wedge pattern comes from above. It is coming from below. Difference. Coming from below, it comes from above. But it kind of looks like that. It kind of looks like the that's the why I checked. The first one which I checked was broadening wedge bottom. It looks like that, but it is maybe it's not that. Broadening wedge top. It also looks the same. Both are same. Okay. Coming from below, broadening wedge top, still giving a breakout from above. Okay. A kind of broadening wedge top. Coming from bottom, bottom. It gives a breakout. What kind of breakout are you expecting? If you look like this, it becomes right angled. But if you just consider these two things, then it becomes that wedge top. Three, one, two, three. If I give you, if I buy trade over, let's just say, let's imagine I gave you a buy trade. Let's just imagine I gave you a buy trade over here. Even if you went from buy, if you went from buy situation here to here, 1%, 2%, 3%. We can just get 3% from the market, not much, not much. Just 3% of the market we can give a buy trade looks. But at the same point, I don't want midway rejections. It should be completely clean. No midway rejection and blash it. 2.96. I don't want like this midway rejection, but it completed. Not completed. Not completed. I don't want like this midway rejection, but it completed. Not completed. This much risk for the shitty coin is not worth it, I feel. This much risk for the shitty coin is not worth it, I feel. Really? Don't give me hopes, Papa. Such. Don't give me hopes. Okay. Fine, let's go for it. Let's go for it. Let's go for it. Let's go for it. Fine. Let's put a limit order at the price. I won't go for that high price. Okay, I don't want that high price. Don't want to go for that high price. I'll go for 0.04117. 0.04117. That's the price. 0.04117. That's the price I'll be going for. Not much, 10%, 20% of my USDT. I'll be entering with 20% of the USDT and open long. My order has been placed. Open order over here, 0.14. I'll share the same thing with the people. There are the two targets, but I would love to give you all people like two targets, not one, but two. One will be here and one will be there. Okay, that's the target. I'll just put this long position entry which I've taken from here. I mean, like I put the limit order. My trade is yet to get execute. Once my trade get execute, that will be good. And my target is here, which I'm giving you two targets. Okay. Let's see. See how it works out. I'll write it over here. CHZ USDT long trade. Long trade over here. Take a screenshot of the price. Okay. That is large. First trade. After a lot of thinking, I'm giving you this trade. For a lot of thinking, I have to do this much thinking to give you trade. First trade. After a lot of thinking, I'm giving you this trade. For a lot of thinking, I have to do this much thinking to give you trade. I'm sharing the same trade with you all people on the Telegram. Okay, now slowly, slowly we'll achieve that trade. It won't be a very fast trade. It will be a slow, steady trade. Okay. I'm sharing
Where
the
is
same
it?
trade with you all people on the Telegram. Okay, now
Say
slowly, slowly we'll
Yash.
achieve that trade. It won't be a very fast trade. It will be a slow, steady trade. Okay.
Where is it? CHZ USDT.
Okay. Entry can be from what is this price? 0.04118. 0.04118 till we can give it still here somewhere which is 0 0.0492 0.0492 like volatility, consider volatility, just considering the volatility we can give it till here 0.0485 कभी भी 0.04085 considering the volatility I'm giving a little that kind of entry but yeah target R2 one is 0.04219 next target is 0.04240 considering the volatility I'm giving a little that kind of entry
and paste.
first trade is active go and take the trade first trade is active CHZUSDT. Okay, first trade over here I've given you. Let's try to take some other trades as well. First trade I gave you. Long, we are going for CHZ long trade. Okay. First trade I gave you. What about gold? Can we take trade in gold? It's consolidated. Not okay, first trade over here I've given you. Let's try
A
to
lot.
take some other trades as well. First trade I
Gold
gave you.
trade, any
Long, we are
XRP
going
trade,
for CHZ
we are
long
having a
trade. Okay.
downfall of XRP.
First trade I gave you. What about gold? Can we take
Still the
trade in gold?
biggest thing.
It's consolidated.
Look a little bigger picture what's happening. A lot.
Gold trade, any XRP trade. We are having a downfall of
Just to
XRP.
this point, 6.5 is a breakout. Six. Here. Can we take can we take can we take out the whole demand what we saw yesterday? Is it possible? Straight even. Whatever yesterday's whole thing is just market is trying to take away that thing, right? Whatever yesterday's pump market is taking out that pump. All yesterday's pump can be taken out from the market. Looks like that. But they are taking it out. Whatever yesterday's whole thing is just market is trying to take away that. Ana ADA, let's see, ADA, same moment ADA is same, can be taken out from same, looks like that, hasn't reached, taking it out, the demand very less space, we have to check some, pump is falling, pump is falling. What it looks in mind. This is the breakout candle. It looks like a 15. We will stretch it downfall. Short trade. We will stretch it downfall. Short trade. Will it continue the trend? Main question. Yes. Will it continue the trend? Main question. Pump USDT also will enter for short trade. How much percentage is it? But taking it out. Good, good. 4.3 is a good percentage. Let me take a trade first. I will take a trade at the rejection of 2.002008. 0.002008. Percent. And open shut. Okay. Let me just make it 0.002008 clear. 3 people over here. Take a short trade. I've taken somewhere this entry. Stop loss. Target. Can we find a between target as well? Yes, we can find it clearly. This can be a between targets. Need to. This I don't want to give. This I will give. This two is enough. If this two is enough. So one day is also. I want to give you this target as well, like this. But it will be very small. Like what percentage it is? Percentage. 1%. Okay, let's just give it three targets in the month. Three. Three. But it will be very small. Like what percentage it is? 1%. Okay, let's just give it. Let me three targets. Three. One, two, three. Short. Back. I am coming, bro. 1 second. मेरा chat. मेरा chat. मेरा chat. मेरा chat. यार नेट बहुत लैग करता है यार. I am coming, bro. 1 second. मेरा chat. Hello, hello. Welcome, welcome. All the new users. Welcome, Angad. Pump USDT short trade. ये भी मैं अपडेट कर देता हूँ. यार नेट बहुत लैग करता है यार. Hello, hello. Welcome, welcome. All the new users. Welcome, Angad. Pump USDT short trade. ये भी मैं अपडेट कर देता हूँ. एंट्री कहाँ कहाँ से ली है? ट्री है 0.2008 से लेके थोड़ी अगर वोलेटिलिटी आ भी जाती है तो यहाँ कल की कल वहां तक मैं दे देता हूँ जस्ट फॉर अगर वोलेटिलिटी होता तो ठीक है. उसके बाद में टारगेट है 3. एक टारगेट है 0.00197387. उसके बाद दूसरा टारगेट है 955. टारगेट एक टारगेट है 0.001926 डॉलर. Done. Entry target stronger and paste. Second trade given. Okay. हमने फर्स्ट ट्रेड दिया था CHZUSDT। गिवन। ठीक है, एंट्री तो है ना, यहाँ तो यहाँ तक तो एंट्री दी है। ओके ओके, नो इश्यूज। थोड़ा लॉस झेल लेंगे। पोजीशन ठीक है, एंट्री तो है ना, यहाँ तो यहाँ तक तो एंट्री दी है। इसका टारगेट में कर देता हूँ 0.02 हम टारगेट ओपन नहीं हुआ। ये चलो 0.01 क्या है, भूल गया। 0.00915 क्यों भाई? वाई टीपी तो है 1000, इतना तो पैसा भी नहीं है। ऐसा क्यों? मैंने शॉर्ट की एंट्री ली है ना, ये ओपन ओपन। अच्छा, ये ओपन ही नहीं हुआ। हाँ ठीक है, नहीं बराबर है बराबर है। पॉकेट ऑप्शन कोई प्लेटफॉर्म, पॉकेट ऑप्शन का कोई, पॉकेट ऑप्शन मतलब, पॉकेट ऑप्शन का क्या मतलब होता है? अंगद यादव, पॉकेट ऑप्शन का क्या मतलब होता है? अच्छा, ये ओपन ही नहीं हुआ। हाँ ठीक है, नहीं बराबर है बराबर है। पॉकेट ऑप्शन कोई प्लेटफॉर्म, पॉकेट ऑप्शन का कोई, पॉकेट ऑप्शन मतलब, पॉकेट ऑप्शन का क्या मतलब होता है? Sure. अंगद यादव, पॉकेट ऑप्शन का क्या मतलब होता है? यार और नीचे से एंट्री ले सकता था मैं, पर ठीक है ठीक है, ऐसी कोई दिक्कत वाली बात नहीं। एनी अदर कॉइन कैन वी फाइंड? एक और एक और यार और नीचे से एंट्री ले सकता था मैं, पर ठीक है। BCH प्रॉफिट में है, ऐसी कोई दिक्कत वाली बात। गूगल क्रोम पे कोई वेबसाइट है? गूगल क्रोम पे तो ये वेबसाइट है zibit.com, और कोई दूसरी वेबसाइट का आइडिया नहीं है यार। एक गूगल क्रोम पे ये मतलब जीबिट चलती है होम पेज, उसके अलावा पता नहीं, नो आइडिया। एक और कॉइन ढूंढ लेंगे फिर मैं बैठ जाऊंगा आराम से, एक और कॉइन ढूंढ लेंगे। गूगल क्रोम पे रेंडर में माइनस, और कोई दूसरी वेबसाइट मिडवे, मिडवे मिडवे पकड़ सकते हैं। जीबिट चलती है होम पेज, उसके अलावा पता नहीं, नो आइडिया। एक और कॉइन ढूंढ लेंगे फिर मैं बैठ जाऊंगा आराम से, एक और कॉइन ढूंढ लेंगे। यार बहुत दिनों से रिसॉल्व में देखा यार, क्या हो रहा है रिसॉल्व में। वाओ, वेरी सॉरी यार। एक तो ये एम ए लाइन आ जाती नहीं, मेरा खराब हो जाता है यार। क्यों आती है विषय पता नहीं। वेलकम ऑल द यूजर्स, वेलकम वेलकम वेलकम। डू नॉट फॉरगेट टू डू द डिपॉजिट, do the deposit as much as possible. Just keep clicking on it and do the deposit. यार एक तो ये एमए लाइन आ जाती नहीं, मेरा खराब हो जाता है यार। क्यों आती है विषय पता नहीं। एकदम से एक पंप आया एंड फिर वो पंप चली भी गया। अब वापस से पंप उठ रहा है। वियर्ड वियर्ड चीजें हो रही है मार्केट, वियर्ड। नहीं नहीं, इतने वोलेटाइल कॉल में इन्वेस्ट नहीं करना चाहिए। बहुत ही ज्यादा वोलेटाइल कॉइन है। एंड फिर वो पंप चली भी गया। अब वापस से पंप उठ रहा है। 6% क्या गिरा था? 6% ATH USDT। कॉल में इन्वेस्ट नहीं करना चाहिए। बहुत ही ज्यादा वोलेटाइल कॉइन है। 6% क्या गिरा था? 6% ATH USDT। वन मोर कॉइन, वन मोर कॉइन। दोनों पोजीशन चालू हुई क्या? चालू हुई क्या? पंप में लग चुका है ट्रेड। पंप का मेरे को ये लगाना था 0.00। कैसा? वन मोर कॉइन, वन मोर कॉइन। 8% पंप, 0 USDT को। क्या बात कर रहे हो? सही है। मैं नहीं मानता भाई। ये प्रॉफिट है? ऐसा कैसे? कुछ कुछ गलत किया क्या? कुछ गलत किया क्या? कुछ गलत किया क्या? कुछ गलत किया? मैं नहीं मानता भाई। ये प्रॉफिट है? सही में? ऐसा क्यों? पर मतलब मैंने कोई गलत किया क्या? कुछ कुछ गलत किया क्या? कुछ गलत किया क्या? कुछ गलत किया क्या? ये सिर्फ इतना ही प्रॉफिट क्यों देगा मुझे? सही में? 0.001955। 0.001955। 100%। भाई 0.2 का ये कोई प्रॉफिट थोड़ी होता है। ये सिर्फ इतना ही प्रॉफिट क्यों देगा मुझे? 20x पे शॉर्ट किया। ओके। 0.001955। अच्छा खासा ही तो अमाउंट लगा। 0.2। भाई 0.2 का ये कल जब मैंने सेम कॉइन में, सेम एग्जैक्ट कॉइन में, कल अगर मैं ऑर्डर हिस्ट्री देखूं, मैंने पंप में 296 USDT हमने कमाया। कोई इतना बड़ा मूवमेंट कैप्चर नहीं किया था हमने, हमने छोटा ही मूवमेंट कैप्चर किया था। अगर मैं यहाँ से मूवमेंट कैप्चर भी करता हूँ, लेट्स जस्ट सी कि यहाँ से यार सेम कॉइन में, सेम एग्जैक्ट कॉइन में कल अगर मैं 2.63 पंप में 296, how can I transfer from spot to future account? Very simple, brother, very simple. You can just simply click on, where is it? Yeah. Just go on the balance. You can see the balance option over here. Yes. Go on the balance. Then go on the spot. When you click on the spot, click on the, sorry, when you click on the future, click on the transfer and then do future to spot, enter amount over here, whatever amount is, let's say 50, 590, enter the amount, confirm transfer. The transfer is done. You can see my future is having now how much? 590, the one I transfer. This is how you can do it.
very easily. ब्रो पर ये हाउ इज दिस पॉसिबल? मैं नहीं समझ पा रहा हूँ ये चीज कि कल सेम में एंट्री लेके अच्छा खासा प्रॉफिट कमाया, आज सिर्फ टू कैसे, मतलब हाउ इज दिस वर्किंग? मैं नहीं समझ पा रहा हूँ ये चीज। कहीं ना कहीं यहीं से एंट्री ली थी, सेम में ठीक है, ये ऐसा कितना ही परसेंटेज है? अच्छा ये 8%, 8, 7, 6% का मार्केट, क्वांटिटी बढ़ानी पड़ेगी फिर तो यार। 0.2 प्रॉफिट लेके क्या करूँ मैं? ये ऑर्डर बैठा हुआ है। ऑर्डर एग्जीक्यूटेड, 0.2 प्रॉफिट लेके क्या करूँ मैं? ओपन ऑर्डर, ओ अभी तक उतना एग्जीक्यूट ही नहीं हुआ भाई। अच्छा ठीक है, मैं वही तो सोचू ऐसा क्यों हो रहा है। मैंने पंप में इतना साइज है मेरा, उसमें से सिर्फ 4 इतना ही लिया गया उससे, इतना ही सेल किया गया उससे। ठीक है ठीक है ठीक है, ऐसा क्यों हुआ पर? ये ऐसा क्यों हुआ पर? सिर्फ इतना ही क्यों एग्जीक्यूट किया गया? 4070 ही एग्जीक्यूट किया, बाकी का कहाँ गया फिर? बाकी का एग्जीक्यूट क्यों नहीं हुआ अभी तक मेरा? ये तो गलत है यार, मेरा बाकी का एग्जीक्यूट ही नहीं किया यार। ऑलमोस्ट मेरे पास 1 लाख के आसपास कुछ था, 15 लाख में कर रहा था यार, उसमें से 4070 ही किया उसने। ये तो गलत है यार, बाकी का किया ही नहीं, मेरा बाकी का एग्जीक्यूट ही नहीं किया यार, ऐसी वजह से तो यार नुकसान। Yeah, brother. User 7911923. I just showed you over here. You can just simply click over here and go to your balance option. Once you click on your balance option, click on the future. Can you see spot zero balance? Then click on the future. Your money is in here. Just click on transfer. Then future to spot, click whatever amount it is, 50. Just click yes, confirm. Now from here 50 USD is transfer. Okay, if you check, spot will have how much? 50. This is how you can, how to withdraw funds from future. Simple, same as well, same. Just click on withdraw option, click withdraw, and then click fiat withdraw, then enter your amount. Entering amount should be above $5. Okay, it should be above $5. If it's not above $5, it will not be withdrawn. It should be above $5, like 10 or 20 or something. Just select next, enter your add payment over here, like your bank account, blah, IFC code, and then confirm it. Your funds will be withdrawn above $5 only, only above $5. Okay, not less than that, only above the $5. But pump never executed my rest of the this thing. This is not good. It should execute my trade. CHCZ, we are having -10. What's happening over there? Let's just see. ठीक है, तो चलता है. This much is acceptable.
I am not able to withdraw. Maybe because you are doing like less than you are doing less than $5. Above $5 it will above accept. Not less than $5 it will accept. Bro, but yeah, this is pump just executed my one simple trade. Open order is still left for pump. My main profit was gonna come from pump only, and my order didn't got execute properly. I have still 238 left. If I see some rejection, I will enter in again. But I am not able to withdraw. Why you are not able to withdraw? Are you withdrawing less than $5? Less than $5 are you withdrawing? User 791923. Are you trying to withdraw less than $5? Or you shared me a photo. Mhm. Sorry to inform you can't oversee. Could rejection happen? Just execute my trade. Yes. Please execute my trade. 20120. Please share me your whatever problem in the Telegram chat. Like take a screenshot of it. What reason they are giving you for the not able to withdraw, and send it to me on the chat. I will share the same thing to the IT department to look after it. Some patience, have some patience, have some patience. Or shall I keep the rest at 2004? 2004. 2004. Because 8 looks very far away now to go for. 2004 can be achieved. Shall we go for 2004? 1000, 2001, it is tapping again and again, again and again. Shall I go for 2000? put the price of 2001, 2000, 0.00 2000. Oh, this is more quantity. This time it should be executed completely, like completely. Chop chop. 2002, 2002, 2002, 2002, and 2000. Actually, 2003 it has to touch. 2003, 3 give me 3. Give me love. Give me. Ah, mm, mm, mm. 2002, 2, execute my trade. Game. 2003 it has to go to execute my trade. Executing every orders at the same price. Everybody's order is at here. One by one by one by one by one by one. It is hitting those limit orders over here. Mine is at 2003. 2, but it has to go to 3 to execute my order. Executing every orders at the same price. Everybody's order is at here. One by one by one by one by one by one. It is hitting those limit orders over here. 2003. 2, but it has to go to 3 to execute my order. I'm not able to. Bro, please tell me why you're not able to withdraw. I'll help you. Not executing. It will execute. Let's try to find some different coin till that point. Why? 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 Bags G. It will execute. Let's try to find some different coin till that point. Bags G, bags G, bags G, bags G, G, bags G. ये टारगेट बहुत सेक्सी देता हूँ पर मैं मतलब एग्जैक्टली वहां टारगेट पे मार्केट जाते ही जाते। कला है ब्रो, कला विश्वसनीय है ब्रो। यहाँ पे भी ये गोल्ड का पता नहीं कहाँ थी यार, ये शायद तक मेरे पास एनालाइज के लिए बोला था कि यहाँ पे दे सकता हूँ, यहाँ पे दे सकता हूँ। एग्जैक्टली वहीं से रिवर्सल आता है, पर तुम कुछ भी बोल लो, कला विश्वसनीय है। नाइस। ये गोल्ड का पता नहीं कहाँ थी यार, ये शायद तक मेरे पास एनालाइज के लिए बोला था कि यहाँ पे दे सकता हूँ, यहाँ पे दे सकता हूँ। एग्जैक्टली वहीं से रिवर्सल आता है, पर तुम कुछ भी बोल लो। गोल्ड। हेलो सर जी। हेलो अंगद। हेलो हेलो हेलो। एक बार मैं सिल्वर देखना चाहता हूँ, सिल्वर। सिल्वर तो मैं तो कुछ मूवमेंट ही नहीं है यार। अगर तुम्हें पता नहीं है, मैं बहुत से लोगों को बताना चाहता हूँ कि जीबिट पे दो नए कॉइन आए हैं, जो मतलब कॉइन पकड़ लो या तुम्हें जो समझना है समझो उसे। एक है ये XAG, जो है सिल्वर, ठीक है। एक हमने गोल्ड लेके आए थे, XAU, एंड अभी ये XAG है जो सिल्वर है, ठीक है। ये कॉइन का नाम XAG है, पर इसे सिल्वर, ये सिल्वर का कॉइन है, यहाँ पे ये सिल्वर है। गोल्ड XAU है, और उसके अलावा एक टेस्ला का भी कॉइन है। टेस्ला कंपनी पता ही है सब लोगों को, इलॉन मस्क की कंपनी है, इलेक्ट्रॉन मतलब वो का इलेक्ट्रिक कार्स बनाती है, अच्छी है, ब्ला 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 व्हाटएवर। सो ये टेस्ला की, टेस्ला का कॉइन है यहाँ, ठीक है, टेस्ला USDT। ये दो नए कॉइन हमने इंक्लूड किया है हमारे जीबिट पे, एक है टेस्ला और एक है सिल्वर, ठीक है। तो ये देखना मत भूलना, सिल्वर और ये अच्छी है, ब्ला 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 व्हाटएवर। सो ये टेस्ला की, टेस्ला का कॉइन है यहाँ, ठीक है, टेस्ला USDT। ये दो नए कॉइन हमने इंक्लूड किया है हमारे जीबिट पे, एक है टेस्ला। कब आएगा यार रिजेक्शन? ठीक है, तो ये करा दे यार जल्दी रिजेक्शन। और ये कितना वेट कराएगा रिजेक्शन का? कब आएगा यार रिजेक्शन? करा दे यार जल्दी रिजेक्शन। मुझे अपनी एंट्रीज पे वर्क करना चाहिए वो। मैं एंट्री बड़ी जल्दी ले लेता हूँ हमेशा। तो यहाँ पे रिजेक्शन, ठीक है, देखा हो। हाँ वही वही। मैं एंट्री बड़ी जल्दी ले लेता हूँ हमेशा। पंप पंप पंप। पर यार ये वाला प्रॉब्लम मेरे साथ फर्स्ट टाइम हुआ है यार। हो गया एग्जीक्यूट, हो गया एग्जीक्यूट, हो गया एग्जीक्यूट। भाई मार्क प्राइस, एंट्री प्राइस 202, पर वो तो 8 का था। ठीक है, ठीक है, मेरी ही गलती है। भाई मार्क प्राइस, एंट्री प्राइस 202,
Bro, wow. Don't tell me that situation. ठीक है, ठीक है, मेरी ही गलती है। ये हाँ, ऐसा सोच रहा है ब्रो, ऐसा नहीं है। प्रीमियम प्रॉफिट में ये तो क्या कैसे एग्जीक्यूट ही नहीं किया था मेरा ट्रेड, अब जाके पूरे लेवल पे पंप एग्जीक्यूट हुआ है। ठीक है, ठीक है, ठीक है, कोई बात, आ जाएंगे दोनों प्रॉफिट में। Welcome user 161754. Welcome on the live stream. Thank you so much for being a part of this live stream. यार ये पंप ने ना मेरे साथ में थोड़ी गद्दारी की, पर मैंने एंट्री ली थी यहाँ पे जो था मेरा 0.008 पे, ठीक है। वहां पे मैंने 20% का लगाया अपना प्रॉफिट, मतलब जो भी मेरा बैलेंस था इस बैलेंस का 20% लगाया। अब उस 20% में उसने मेरे पास मतलब हो रहे थे कुछ 1 लाख मतलब 1,50,000 कॉइन्स हो रहे थे पंप के। उसमें से उसने सिर्फ 4,000 एग्जीक्यूट किए मेरे, बाकी कॉइन एग्जीक्यूट ही नहीं किया। उसके बाद में मैंने वापस से उसको कैंसिल करके फिर ये वाले प्राइस पे 2002 पे मैंने एंट्री ली, वापस 20% के, और अब जाके उसने मेरा पूरा एग्जीक्यूट किया है। अब जाके 4,000 एग्जीक्यूट किए मेरे, बाकी कॉइन एग्जीक्यूट ही नहीं। ये गलत है ना, पर ऐसा थोड़ी नहीं करना चाहिए। वापस से उसको कैंसिल करके अच्छी खासी मेरी यहाँ पे 2008 की एंट्री थी, 2022 की हो गई। गलती उसकी, सब कुछ उसका, भुगत मैं रहा हूं। एग्जीक्यूट किया अब जाके, अरे ठीक है, ये गलत है ना, पर ऐसा थोड़ी नहीं करना, हो जाएगा क्लियर। अच्छी खासी मेरी यहाँ पे 2008 की एंट्री थी, 2022 की हो गई। इतनी कोई बड़ी बात, गलती उसकी, सब कुछ उसका, भुगत मैं रहा हूं। अरे ठीक है, हो जाएगा क्लियर। अब बस देखते रहो, धीरे 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 प्रॉफिट पे प्रॉफिट पे प्रॉफिट पे प्रॉफिट पे प्रॉफिट। और कोई कॉइन में एंट्री ले गया यार, मेरी इच्छा तो है कोई लेने की, कोई कॉइन में 3 ट्रेड तो आज देने का मन है मुझे। XLM, धीरे 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 प्रॉफिट पे प्रॉफिट पे प्रॉफिट पे प्रॉफिट पे प्रॉफिट। और कोई कॉइन में एंट्री ले गया यार, मेरी इच्छा तो है कोई लेने, बस ज्यादा नहीं गिरेगा XLM। XLM ज्यादा डिस्टेंस नहीं, डिमांड जोन के बस ज्यादा नहीं गिरेगा XLM। ज्यादा डिस्टेंस नहीं, बनाम भी तो वो ये वाला स्ट्रेंथ गिर रही है। XLM में नहीं कहते, बीमान की सोच है, बीमान की सोच से नहीं है, फेयर वैल्यू कैसा है नीचे, फेयर वैल्यू का एग्जीक्यूट हो सकता है, एग्जीक्यूट होकर हल्का सा ऊपर जाएगा,
हम कहीं ना कहीं यहाँ से उसकी शॉर्ट की एंट्री लेंगे, यहाँ पे टारगेट देंगे, पर टारगेट बहुत छोटा है यार, 2% मार्केट का क्या कैप्चर करें, कुछ अच्छा खासा मिले तो देखो। 2% क्या कैप्चर कर सकता है, एग्जीट होकर हल्का सा ऊपर जाएगा, हम कहीं ना कहीं यहाँ से उसकी शॉर्ट की एंट्री लेंगे, यहाँ पे टारगेट देंगे, पर टारगेट बहुत छोटा है यार, 2% मार्केट का क्या कैप्चर करें, कुछ अच्छा खासा मिले तो देखो। 2% क्या कैप्चर करें, 6%, 5%, ठीक है भाई, उतना तो कोई दिक्कत नहीं। जो सिर्फ अभी चालू हुआ है ना गिरना, उसे हम फोकस करते हैं। XRP कहाँ जा रहा है XRP? यहाँ जा रहा है XRP, क्या लगता है यहाँ आएगा XRP? जो सिर्फ अभी चालू हुआ है ना गिरना, आ सकता है XRP, आना चाहिए क्या पर XRP? 6% है वो, 6% XRP का कैप्चर कर सकते हैं, करे क्या? शॉर्ट की एंट्री ले क्या XRP में? कल लॉन्ग की एंट्री ली थी, आज शॉर्ट की लेनी पड़ रही। पंप वापस गायब करेगा नहीं करेगा? XRP का कैप्चर कर सकते हैं, करे क्या? उतना नीचे तो नहीं जाएगा। मेरा कहाँ बन रहा है वो? लाइन बना, पंप वापस गायब करेगा नहीं करेगा? राइट, 4 घंटे में कहाँ पे है ये लाइन? उतना नीचे तो नहीं जाएगा, कैप के भी नीचे है क्या वो? मेरा कहाँ बन रहा है वो? कैप के भी नीचे है क्या वो? लेके यार शॉर्ट की एंट्री, इंटरेस्ट आ रहा है लेने में। ज्यादा नहीं है, 6% है मार्केट, यहाँ से यहाँ तक है मेरा 4.6, और ये है मेरा लगभग 8%। ऐसा कैसे, ऐसा कैसे, ऐसा कैसे, ऐसा कैसे? ज्यादा नहीं है, 6% है, 8 कैसे हो गया भाई? अच्छा अच्छा, नहीं नहीं, ठीक है बराबर है फिर। 4.6, यहाँ से यहाँ तक है मेरा 4.56, करूँ क्या? 4.56 का शॉर्ट ट्रेड ले क्या? ले ही लेते हैं, ले ही लेते हैं, ले ही लेते हैं, XRP में ले ही लेते हैं। जो होगा देखा जाएगा, ओपनिंग प्राइस से ही लूंगा, पर 1.4002, 1.4002, 1.4002 से 20% से एंट्री, ओपन शॉट, ओपन शॉट कर लिया है, इसको भी टेलीग्राम पे लगा देता हूँ। एक और एंट्री सही है, से 20% से एंट्री, ओपन शॉट, ओपन शॉट कर लिया है, ऐसा थोड़ी है कि ट्रांजेक्शन करेगा, ये तो एंट्री लग गई। XRP trade. XRP trade. ले लो भाई ले लो, XRP की शॉर्ट ट्रेड ले लो जल्द ही। एग्जीक्यूट करते जल्दी से मेरा ट्रेड। ले लो भाई ले लो, XRP की शॉर्ट ट्रेड ले लो जल्द ही। एग्जीक्यूट करते जल्दी से मेरा ट्रेड। कर दिया 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 कर दिया। 4.4, थोड़ा थोड़ा और ऊपर, थोड़ा और ऊपर, थोड़ा जाएगा और जाएगा और। कर दिया कर दिया कर दिया कर दिया कर दिया कर दिया। थोड़ा और ऊपर, थोड़ा और ऊपर, थोड़ा और ऊपर, थोड़ा और ऊपर। बस बस, ऑलमोस्ट देयर ब्रो, ऑलमोस्ट देयर। कर ले थोड़ा और कर ले। बस एक हल्की एक छलांग और मार। थोड़ा और ऊपर, थोड़ा और ऊपर, थोड़ा और ऊपर, थोड़ा और ऊपर। बस बस, थोड़ा सा ऑलमोस्ट देयर ब्रो, ऑलमोस्ट देयर। थोड़ा सा और पुश, थोड़ा हल्का और पुश। ये हुई ना बात, कर लिया एग्जीक्यूट। पोजीशन 3-4 हो गई है। इतना भी नहीं करना है, इतना भी नहीं करना है। इजी, इजी ब्रदर, इतना भी नहीं करना है। थोड़ा सा और पुश, थोड़ा हल्का और पुश। ये हुई ना बात, कर लिया एग्जीक्यूट। पोजीशन 3-4 हो गई है। इतना भी नहीं करना है, इतना भी नहीं करना है। इजी, इजी ब्रदर, इतना भी नहीं करना है। और सब्र रखना है, ठीक है। ये ट्रेड एग्जीक्यूट करने के लिए प्लीज सब्र रखनी है बहुत सारी। यार ये लंदन पंप कर रहा है, डम कर रहा है, समझ नहीं आ रही है। XRP देखा भाई। और सब्र रखना है, ठीक है। ये ट्रेड एग्जीक्यूट करने के लिए प्लीज लंदन चाहता क्या है bro? तू तो कह रहा है लंदन पंप कर रहा है, डम कर रहा है, समझ नहीं आ रही। हम 1 पॉइंट में उधर से ही देता हूँ। लंदन चाहता क्या है? इसका ट्रेड, टेक ट्रेड, टेक द ट्रेड, टेक trade, take that trade, take that trade, take that trade. XRP short trade. Take trade, take the trade, take trade, take that trade, take that trade, take that trade. XRP short trade. सुबह को मेरे चैन तेरा सुबह को मेरे चैन तेरा short, short trade, short and trade. हमेशा कहाँ से एंट्री है मेरी? 0 पॉइंट क्या है? फिर भी मैं एंट्री दिया ही, अच्छी वाली एंट्री दिया मैं। यहाँ से इनको नहीं, ओके, ऐसे देते हैं 1.4054 से लेके 1.3922.3992 टारगेट मेरे, दो टारगेट 1.3343 and 1.2849 1.2 की साइज है आजकल, कितना डिस्टेंस 1.2849 तीन ट्रेड दे दिया मैंने, बहुत है तीन ट्रेड, three trades I've given you all people, three trades, it's more than enough. तीन ट्रेड दे दिया मैंने, बहुत है तीन ट्रेड, three trades I've given you all people, three trades, it's more than enough. Okay. Done. Subhakam. $7 profit, now point 8 dollars. Just this is having profit. Why other coin will also start having profit? Okay, do not panic that it is going in a wrong direction. I'm having minus and blah blah blah. Don't panic this much. It's completely fine. It's not even considered as a loss if you look in that situation. Okay, you are gonna have profit soon. You are gonna start having a profit, good amount of profit. Okay. Okay, do not panic that it is going in a wrong direction. I'm having minus and blah blah blah. Don't panic this much. It's completely fine. It's not even considered as a loss if you look in that situation. Okay, you are gonna have profit soon. You are gonna start having a profit, good amount of profit. Okay, 23 pump started giving me profit, good. See, back in the profit scenario, good, good, back in the profit scenario. I haven't put the target of this is right, 1.3343, 1.343, 100%. Good, good. Back in the profit scenario. I haven't put the target of this is right 1.3343. 1.343, 100%. $19 profit, $8 profit in XRP, and this हमेशा $19 profit, $8 profit in XRP, and this हमेशा 20 and 8. Twenty-one and 14. Pump is also now showing us a profit. It will start falling soon a lot. What about CH? CH is still in minus, but rest of the things are showing us profit. 21 and 14. Pump is also now showing us a profit. It will start falling soon a lot. What about CH? CH is still in minus, but rest of the things are showing us profit. Start falling soon a lot. 19. Pump is again rejecting a little, but it is fine. Pump is again rejecting a little, but it is fine. $38, $40. Good. I hope everybody is taking such trades. Like if you're not taking these trades, then what are you doing? If you're not taking trades, what you do? If you're not taking trades, what you do? It's profitable trades. I hope everybody is taking such trades.
27, 23. Twenty-seven, 23. 13. Welcome to 9544. I've given you 3 trades in my group. If you are not in my group, that's your fault because the group link is just on the live. 13. Welcome to 9544. I've given you 3 trades in my group. If you are not in my group, that's your fault because the group link is just on the live. 29. 19 and 14. Not much, but good. 19 and 14. Not much, but good. 21, 20. Welcome user 134253. Given you trades, please take the trades. And if you have any help, you need any help, अगर कुछ मदद चाहिए तो प्लीज कमेंट सेक्शन में जरूर कमेंट कर दीजिए. उसके अलावा मैंने अपने टेलीग्राम चैनल पे 3 ट्रेड ऑलरेडी लोगों को दी चुकी है. टेलीग्राम चैनल ज्वाइन करना है तो वहीं पे एक ग्रुप का सिंबल बना होगा जो होगा ऐसा. बस इस ग्रुप पे क्लिक कीजिए एंड टेलीग्राम चैनल ज्वाइन कीजिए. बस ये ग्रुप पे क्लिक करते ही आप टेलीग्राम चैनल पे आ जाओगे जहाँ पे मेरे सारे ट्रेड जितने भी मैं देता हूँ वहाँ पे वो अवेलेबल है. 3 ट्रेड ऑलरेडी लोगों को दी चुकी है. टेलीग्राम चैनल ज्वाइन करना है तो वहीं पे एक ग्रुप का सिंबल बना होगा जो होगा ऐसा. बस इस ग्रुप पे क्लिक कीजिए एंड टेलीग्राम चैनल ज्वाइन कीजिए. बस ये ग्रुप पे क्लिक करते ही आप टेलीग्राम चैनल पे आ जाओगे जहाँ पे मेरे सारे ट्रेड जितने भी मैं देता हूँ वहाँ पे वो अवेलेबल है. 33.23. Good. CS is still in minus. Good. CS is still in minus. How much are you going to face this in CH? Where is CH? Is it a start of a dump? If it's a start of a dump, then I can take my trade off. No. Is it a start of a dump? If it's a start of a dump, then I can take my trade off. No. 601400. If you are a new user, one Dogecoin free I can provide you only if you do your first deposit through the live stream option. 601400. If you are a new user, one Dogecoin free I can provide you only if you do your first deposit through the live stream option. I'm getting confused of what to do with CH and USDT. The rest of the people are giving me good profit. Like they started giving me profit already, but just CHZ, what shall I do with that coin? I'm confused. I'm getting confused of what to do with CHZ USDT. The rest of the people are giving me good profit. Like they started giving me profit already, but just CHZ, what shall I do with that coin? I'm confused. Twenty-four, 29. 3023 deposit. If you don't deposit, there is not gonna be a trade soon. The trial periods are over. 3023 deposit. If you don't deposit, there is not gonna be a trade soon. The trial periods are over. User 372085, welcome on the live stream. Half in the live stream is over. After that, live stream is over. So till now point $35 profit in total. सर जीबिट सेफ है, पूरा सेफ है, पूरा ऊपर से नीचे तक हर जगह से सेफ है। जीबिट पे आप विड्रॉल भी ले सकते हो, डिपॉजिट करो, विड्रॉल लो। बस कुछ चीजें हैं जो उसको आप समझने की जरूरत है। विड्रॉल हम 5 यूएसडीटी के बाद देते हैं, ठीक है। अगर आप बोलोगे कि मैंने $1 डिपॉजिट किया है और कल मुझे वो $1 चाहिए, आपको नहीं मिलेगा। आपको विड्रॉल मिनिमम $5 का है। अगर आप 5 के नीचे यानी 4 विड्रॉ करना चाहते हो, $4, $3, $2 या $1 विड्रॉ करना चाहते हो, तो आपको वो नहीं मिलेगा। आपको $5 के आगे विड्रॉल मिलता है। $5, 10, 20, 30, 40, मतलब ऐसे। अगर 5 के बाद जो भी 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, $5 के नीचे विड्रॉल नहीं मिलता, तो उसमें पैनिक होने की जरूरत नहीं कि भाई मेरा विड्रॉल नहीं दे रहे ये लोग। ऐसा कोई नहीं है। आपकी कुछ कंडीशंस है कि विड्रॉल का मिनिमम अगर अमाउंट आपको विड्रॉ करना है तो वो 5 है। 5 के नीचे विड्रॉ नहीं कर सकते, क्योंकि वो एक्सचेंज रेट, अगर आप एक चीज देखो तो वो एक्सचेंज आप करोगे फिएट विड्रॉल, मतलब डीटी टू आईएनआर सीधा। अब डीटी टू आईएनआर में जब आप एक्सचेंज करते हो तो आपको एक इंटरेस्ट रेट देना पड़ता है, ठीक है। एक ट्रांसफर मतलब वो अपनी ट्रांजैक्शन फी लगती है, एंड फिर जो वो डीटी से आईएनआर में कन्वर्ट होता है तो उसका एक अलग फी लगता है। तो उस फी में अगर आप 5 के नीचे करते हो तो कट कटा के आपके हाथ में फिर बहुत कम आता है। उसमें आपको लगता है कि भाई मेरा पैसा खा गए। खाने की बात नहीं है। उसमें ट्रांसफर फी लगती है, प्लेटफॉर्म फी लगती है, वो जो करेंसी कन्वर्ट होती है उसकी फी लगती है। ये सब चीज में अगर आप 5 के नीचे करते हो तो आपको ऐसा लगता है कि हमने पैसा खा लिया आपका। तो इसलिए 5 के अगर आप ऊपर करते हो तब जाके आपको एक बराबर अमाउंट आपके इसमें रजिस्टर होता है। ट्रांसफर जो प्लेटफॉर्म की फी है वो तो लगेंगी ही, और बाकी जो मैंने बताई वो लगती ही है, ठीक है। तो बाकी हर चीज के लिए पूरा कंप्लीटली सेफ है। प्लस अगर आप एक नए यूजर हो, आपके लिए बहुत सारे गिफ्ट भी अवेलेबल है। जैसे कि अगर आप मेरे लाइव स्ट्रीम के थ्रू पहला डिपॉजिट करते हो तो आपको मिलता है 1 डोज कॉइन फ्री में। ये एक चीज हो गई। दूसरी चीज, अब आप यहाँ पे मुझे लाइव पे देख रहे हो, राइट। ये है मेरा लाइव लाइव स्ट्रीम। यहाँ पे आपको ये ग्रुप दिख रहा है, ये ग्रुप, ये एक बटन, यहाँ पे 3 बटन है। ये डिपॉजिट का बटन, ट्रेड का बटन और ग्रुप का बटन, राइट। अगर आप ये ग्रुप के बटन को क्लिक करते हो, आप जाते हो सीधा यहाँ पे zbit.com लाइव विद यश के ऐप में। ये मेरा टेलीग्राम चैनल है जहां पे मैं रोज के ट्रेड प्रोवाइड करता हूँ। ये मैंने आज एक XRP की ट्रेड दी है, ये मैंने पंप की ट्रेड दी है, और ये मैंने एक CHZ USD की ट्रेड दी है। यहाँ पे 3 ट्रेड मैं दे चुका हूँ और यहाँ पे मैं रोज देता हूँ, ठीक है। ये रोज यहाँ पे आप देख सकते हो। यहाँ पे लोग अपना मतलब बातचीत ये वो करना, मतलब सब 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 कुछ रोज के यहाँ पे आपको 3 ट्रेड मिलेंगे। उसमें से कल का अगर मैं ट्रेड की बात करूं, कल का मैंने जो ट्रेड किया है, कल का यहाँ पे मैं दिखाता हूँ, ठीक है। ये अभी वाली ट्रेड चालू है मेरे, जिसमें मेरा XRP में $35 का प्रॉफिट हो रहा है। पंप यूएसडीटी है जिसमें मेरे को $17 का प्रॉफिट हो रहा है, और एक ये CHZ यूएसडीटी है जिसमें भी $6 का नुकसान हो रहा है, पर वो हो जाएगा प्रॉफिट कवर जल्दी ही, ठीक है। थोड़ा ऊपर नीचे तो होते रहता है। XRP $30 हो चुका है अभी तक, पंप 11 और जो सी एच है वो अभी -6 पे। अब इसके कल का प्रॉफिट दिखाता हूं मैं। कल का प्रॉफिट मेरा ये यहाँ पे है 396.24 यूएसडी का प्रॉफिट। झूठ लग रहा हो तो मैं दिखा भी सकता हूँ। एक मैंने पंप में कमाया था, मैं यहाँ पे पंप डालता हूँ पहले, पंप यूएसडी। ये मेरा पंप यूएसडी है, इसको थोड़ा बड़ा कर लेते हैं। ऑर्डर हिस्ट्री में जाएंगे। ऑर्डर हिस्ट्री में, ये ऑर्डर हिस्ट्री में आपको क्या दिख रहा है यहाँ पे, ये मेरी डेट भी देख लो, ठीक है। ये 2026 फरवरी और 6 की डेट, 6 कल की तारीख क्या थी, कल की तारीख 6 थी, आज 7 है, तो ये 6 तारीख है। इस 6 तारीख को मेरे को यहाँ पे प्रॉफिट कितना हुआ था, 200, मतलब 296। अभी हिंदी में इतनी काउंटिंग आती नहीं है मुझे, तो 296 का प्रॉफिट ये एक हो गया। अब इसी के साथ साथ लाइव, सर आप लाइव कितने बजे आते हैं, मेरे लाइव का टाइमिंग चेंज होते रहता है, ठीक है। मेरे लाइव का टाइमिंग है, अगर आप सैटरडे और संडे की बात करते हो, सैटरडे संडे मैं 12 से 4 आता हूं, दुबई का टाइमिंग है। इंडिया का टाइमिंग होगा वो 1:30 से लेके 5:30, ठीक है। दोपहर के 1:30 से लेके 5:30 सैटरडे और संडे। मंडे, ट्यूसडे और फ्राइडे, ये 3 दिन मैं आता हूं 4 से 8, यानी 5:30 से लेके 9:30 बजे रात के, ठीक है। तो मंडे ट्यूसडे मैं रात को लाइव आता हूं। एंड आपको ये टेंशन लेने की जरूरत नहीं है, आप सबसे सिंपली पता है क्या करो, आप ना सिर्फ ये ग्रुप ज्वाइन करो। ये ग्रुप में आप जब भी, ये ग्रुप में आप जब भी आप जैसे ये वाला टेलीग्राम का ग्रुप यहाँ पे क्लिक करके आपने ज्वाइन कर लिया, मैं जब भी लाइव जाता हूं इस पे मैं नोटिफाई करता हूं कि मैं लाइव जा रहा हूं, तो आप उस टाइम पे लाइव आ सकते हो, ठीक है, देखने के लिए। तो आप प्लीज जब भी यहाँ पे आप क्लिक, मतलब जैसे आप टेलीग्राम पे यहाँ पे, तो आप ज्वाइन कर लो सबसे पहले मेरा ग्रुप। एंड जैसे आप ग्रुप ज्वाइन कर लो, मैं जैसे देखो यहाँ पे भी आज भी मैंने अपडेट किया था, ये मेरा 6 जनवरी का था लाइव स्ट्रीम अनाउंसमेंट। आज हम क्या बात करेंगे वो सब चीजें भी बताता हूँ मैं, और साथ ही साथ में ट्रेडिंग सिखाता भी हूँ ऐसे, ठीक है। ये आज का भी है, लाइव स्ट्रीम स्टार्टेड, प्लीज ज्वाइन फास्ट। ये सब चीजें मैं वहां पे बता देता हूँ कि लाइव स्ट्रीम चालू होने वाली है। ये कल के प्रॉफिट भी मैं वहां पे दिखा देता हूँ कि मेरा कल कितना प्रॉफिट हुआ, सब लोगों को कितना प्रॉफिट हुआ। यहाँ पे 296 का प्रॉफिट ये पंप में है। हमने इसी के साथ में एक्सआरपी में भी ट्रेड लिया था। एक्सआरपी का ट्रेड यहाँ पे, ये ऑर्डर हिस्ट्री आपको देख पा रहे होंगे यहाँ पे 99, तो 99 प्लस वो 296 दोनों को मिला के मेरा प्रॉफिट पूरा बनता है 396 का, ठीक है। आज की भी ट्रेड है, अगर आज के आपको, अरे यार, आज की भी ट्रेड है, आज की भी अगर आपको ट्रेड लेना है तो आप प्लीज जल्दी से ट्रेड ले लीजिए आज के भी। एंड अगर अभी तक आपने डिपॉजिट नहीं किया है तो पहले तो डिपॉजिट ही कर लो। थर्टी सेवन, पंप 11, नॉट मच बट ओके।
36, 11, 36 and 11, 36 and 11. 43, 17. 43, 17. 37, 23. 39, 14. Welcome users. Deposit first, then ask me for trade, not before. What? 272512571 Welcome user 559922. That's a nice username. Okay. So easy to say. 559922. I've given you three trades in my group. If you haven't joined my group yet, please click on the group option on the live stream, which you can see on the bottom. There are three options: deposit, take trade, group. Click on the group. You will straightly taken to my group, which is zbit.com live with Yash, my group. Okay. We are able to see profits over here. XRP giving us 42, pump giving us 8, not much, but still a profit is a profit. Small amount of profits we are able to see in the market. 21, 23, and that's it. Thank you so much, ladies and gentlemen, for being a part. The trades will not go anywhere. It will get completed. All the trades will get completed one by one by one. All the targets will be hit, so you don't have to worry regarding that. I'll see you all guys tomorrow. That is Sunday, and the timing 12 to 4 Dubai timing, Indian timing 1:30 to 5:30. I'll see you guys at that point. Thank you so much for being this on this live stream. Thank you so much for coming down over here. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye bye. Do not forget to join the group. Do not forget to do your deposit on the live stream.